Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add transition on Instagram Reels. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram Reels are short video you can create and share on Instagram. One way to make your reel more interesting and dynamic is to add transition between your clip. And this video, I will show you how to add the transition on your reels. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now we can just create reels. I will choose some video on my gallery and make it into reels. Wait. This one, I will add 3 videos. Now you can just tap on next. Instagram will give you suggested audio for your uh, reels on your video. You can just choose on the video, on the audio that you want to use. For the example, I will choose this one maybe. Now you can just tap on next. Now, if you want to add transition on your reels, you can just tap on edit video on here. Get it? So you can just, if you want to add transition, you can just tap on here between this first video and second video. You can just tap on here and you can choose for the transition. There's like zoom transition, blur transition, wrap, and flare, and also there's spin and glitch. Maybe for the example, I will choose blur. There's sound like this. You can tap on done. You can also add another transition for the next video. If you want to add the same transition for all video, you can just apply to all. But I will choose another transition. Maybe like this. Now you can just tap on done. And your video will be turned out like this. You can see. Like this. It's so interesting, right? Your video more dynamic and interesting to watch. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner. You can edit the cover, write caption, and share it to your Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add transition on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.